Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Hajar binti Hashim S50116. Today I want to present individual assignment. The company is Aeon Credit Service Berhad. For question 1, explain background and its sector. Aeon Credit Service Berhad was incorporated on 6 December 1996. It converted into a public limited on 9 February 2007 and listed on the main market at Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad on 12 December 2007. The sector of company core business are in consumer financing, hire purchase, motor vehicle, personal financing, issuance of payment card. For question 2, explain significant accounting policies and standard related to revenue recognition. The financial statement of the company have been prepared under the historical cost convention unless otherwise stated in the significant accounting policies below. Historical cost is generally based on the fair value. Fair value is the price that will be received to sell an asset or paid to transfer a liability in an orderly transaction. For MFRS 15, establish a 5-step for revenue arise from contract with customer and requires that revenue to be recognized. For question 3, disclosures on accounting for revenue in the financial statement and their accompanying note to the account. The first 3A is type and classification on revenue. First one is sale of good. Good underlying the particular performance obligation is transferred to the customer. Second, rendering of service, recognized when or as a performance obligation in the contract with customer is satisfied. Third, interest income, recognized in profit or loss using effective interest. Fourth, fee income, generally recognized when the relevant performance obligation have been fulfilled. Okay, for 3B is recognition and measurement of revenue. They have 5 steps. Step 1, identify contract with customer. Control of the good or service underlying the particular performance obligation is transferred to customer. Step 2, identify performance obligation in the contract. Performance obligation in the contract with customer to transfer good or service. Step 3, determine the transaction price. Recognize when the relevant performance obligation have been fulfilled to customer. Step 4, allocate the transaction price to the performance obligation in the contract. Separate performance obligation. Step 5, recognize revenue when or as a performance obligation in the contract with customer is satisfied. Okay, for the last question, evaluate disclosure with the relevant standard. In conclusion, Aeon Credit Service Berhad use the relevant standard, which is MFRS 15 to recognize revenue. This is because the company has used the 5 steps to recognize the revenue. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.